Hello, everyone, and welcome to this webinar on data protection for the legal sector. My name is Peter Wright, and I'm a solicitor, and I'm going to be taking you through a fairly deep dive in terms of the current state of data protection, and in particular with a focus on how that applies to the legal profession. We've got quite a packed agenda for this session, so we're going to be looking at the new UK Data Use and Access Act 2025. I'm going to talk a little bit about a few of the things that the British government's been talking about in terms of what might be on the horizon in terms of how it's going to be used using data and digital technology as a whole. We're going to do a quick reminder on the EU-US privacy framework, which covers the sharing of data from the European Union to the US and vice versa, and also the data adequacy arrangements between the UK and the EU, which locks in that whole thing with the EU-US privacy framework. We'll look a little bit at how things work when it comes to EU and UK representation. We'll look a little bit at the ICO's regulatory enforcement, and we'll look a little bit at what law firms need to think about when it comes to the use of artificial intelligence and increasing use of LLMs when it comes to anything from sometimes chatbots all the way through to the drafting of documents, legal research, and the implications for that in terms of the delivery of legal services. So we've got quite a bit to pack into the next hour, so I will move very swiftly on to starting to look at that Data Use and Access Act and what it actually means.